Hi, Kickstarter! I'm Hunter, the founder and creative director of Craighill, a design studio based in Brooklyn, New York. We develop and manufacture a variety of distinct and thoughtful objects, inspired by experimentation and our sense of curiosity. Some of our most popular products include the Wilson keyring, the Ripple opener, the Jack puzzle, and now, introducing our newest product, the Venn Puzzle. The Venn Puzzle is comprised of 3 identical pieces, die-cast in stainless steel and weighing in at almost 2 pounds. The assembly of the puzzle initially seems pretty simple, but once you get it in your hands, you realize it requires a high level of dexterity and precision. All of the pieces have to align simultaneously. And then, the unexpected success of some of our more conceptual products has given us the confidence to produce the Venn Puzzle. We've been lucky enough to find an audience for many of the strange, sometimes functional objects that we love to make, and we're hoping to continue expanding that community through this Kickstarter campaign. We've been working on the design for the Venn Puzzle for the better part of 2 years, fine-tuning the geometry, finding the right manufacturing partner, and refining the finishing process. And now, we're finally ready to go into production. We've got our tooling made, the first production samples are in hand, and we're eager to bring the Venn Puzzle to life. The finished product feels smooth, cool, and surprisingly heavy. It's an oddly satisfying and meditative distraction. We're still trying to figure out if anyone can assemble it one-handed. The puzzle comes with a small metal display stand and is packaged in a sturdy chipboard tube. For our Kickstarter backers, we're offering the Venn Puzzle at a significantly discounted pre-sale price, and the first 500 puzzles will ship by November 15th. We're passionate about experimenting with industrial manufacturing and making products that inspire curiosity and hopefully make your day a little more enjoyable. With your help, we're excited to bring this puzzle into the world. Thanks.